LinkedIn Ads Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to LinkedIn Ads and related tools are in the description. In this review, we'll cover its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's a good fit for your dropshipping business. LinkedIn Ads is a paid advertising platform focused on B2B marketing, allowing you to target professionals and businesses based on specific criteria such as job title, industry, and company size. While traditionally used by businesses targeting other businesses, LinkedIn Ads can be an effective tool for high-ticket dropshipping, niche markets, or businesses with a B2B component. It allows dropshippers to reach decision-makers and professionals who may be interested in premium or specialized products. For features, LinkedIn Ads offers several ad formats, including sponsored content, text ads, and dynamic ads. It provides highly detailed audience targeting, including the ability to filter by job title, company, industry, and even skills or groups. Lead generation forms integrated directly into the ads allow you to collect contact information without redirecting users to a landing page, improving conversion rates. LinkedIn's analytics dashboard provides detailed insights on campaign performance, allowing for easy optimization. Additionally, LinkedIn offers retargeting options, allowing you to reach people who have previously interacted with your website or content. Strengths. One of LinkedIn Ads' main strengths is its advanced targeting capabilities, enabling you to reach a highly specific and professional audience. This makes it ideal for niche dropshipping businesses or high-ticket products that cater to professionals. The lead generation forms simplify the conversion process, helping you collect customer data directly from your ads. Additionally, LinkedIn's business-focused environment increases trust and credibility, especially for businesses selling more specialized or higher-end products. Weaknesses. LinkedIn Ads can be expensive compared to other platforms, especially if you're targeting a niche or high-level professionals. The platform is more geared toward B2B marketing, meaning it might not be the best choice for all types of dropshipping businesses, especially those targeting general consumers. The learning curve can also be steep for newcomers to digital advertising, as understanding LinkedIn's targeting and bidding options can take some time. Final verdict. LinkedIn Ads is best for dropshippers who focus on high-ticket, niche, or professional products. If you're targeting decision-makers or professionals and want to leverage detailed targeting to reach the right audience, LinkedIn Ads can be a powerful tool. However, if you're a beginner or working with a limited ad budget, you may want to consider other platforms like Facebook or Google Ads first. Check the links in the description to explore LinkedIn Ads and see if it fits your business needs.